So guys, here you can see one more video me came about the full stack web development. And like you know, in full stack web development, we started from our front end web development. And in front end, we started from our HTML language. And in today's HTML video, I am telling you about the HTML paragraph. If you don't know what are HTML paragraphs, this is very main video. Like in the previous video, I told you about the HTML heading. So in today's video, I am telling you about the HTML paragraph. Okay, so see the video start to it, and please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also so never miss about any future latest videos about the full stack web development. So now, without taking your any time, let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, in today's video of full stack web development, I am telling you about in HTML what are paragraphs. This very main video because in the previous video I told you about what are HTML headings. So in today's video, I am telling about the HTML paragraphs. So let's get started. Paragraphs always start on a new line. Okay, on a new line, the paragraph has been started, and it's usually a block of text. HTML paragraph. The HTML element defines a paragraph. A paragraph always start on a new line, and a browser automatically adds some white space, a margin before and after a paragraph. This is an example, and in this is a paragraph and this is another paragraph like that. Let me copy this and let me go on my Sublime text editor because we are using a Sublime, and like in the previous video we have already made the file, so we do not make one more file, but for your concept I am making the file. So for how to make a file, let me tell you. First of all, you click on the file and click on the new file, and when you click it, so this type of one file has been made it, then you will click on the file, and then what you can do, you click on the save as. Okay, then you will make this file on your documents. Okay, you will make this file anywhere. This is your own choice. I am making this file on my documents. Okay, because I am satisfied here. Okay, so I am giving my file name should be index.html, and HTML file have one extension by the name of .html. Okay, if you do not write .html, so your HTML file will be not built it. Okay, so that is very main thing. Then save. So it is asking me index.html already exists. Do you want to replace it? It means that index.html file has been already made it. Do you want to replace it? If in that file there is not any important work, so you will be press yes, and if there is very important work in that file, so you will press no. Okay, in my that file there is not any such type of important work, so I am pressing yes. So here you can see my file has been made it. So I am opening my file in my browser. So how I can open it, let me tell you. First of all, you click on the file explorer, and where you made your file. I make my file on my documents, and what is your file name, you will be search here. My file name is index.html. so here is my file, I have found it, so I am opening it. So here you can see the blank is coming like that because we do not write the such type of anything in my file, so that's why there the blank thing is coming. Now let's close it and let's come on our Word file. So we write this type of code, p paragraph. So how to write it? First of all, we write a starting code. To write a starting code, you only write here ht. Then you will press a enter. Then your whole code will become. So you give the title should be paragraphs. Then save it and run it. So here you can see it. The title has been came means like a paragraph. Here you can see it. So when it will be coming, you will minimize it, and then you write a paragraph. So how do you write it? First of all, you write here less than, then p in the small, and then greater than sign, and then less than sign, and then slash. Then now here you can see the p paragraph has become, and in the p paragraph you write this is a paragraph. And now here you write one more paragraph, a p, and here you write like this is one more paragraph. So here you can see it. This type of p paragraph has become like that. You will save it, and then here you can see it. Our two paragraph has been come. Here you can see it like that. Now HTML display. You cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screen and resize windows will be create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. The browser will automatically remove any extra spaces and lines when the page is displayed. Let me show you. If you give the space like that, save it and run it. So here you can see it is automatically remove the spaces. I give the space, I give here many spaces, but what Python is, what HTML is doing, the browser is automatically remove any extra spaces and lines when the page is displayed. Here you can see it. I add one extra spaces, and when I saving and run it, So here you can see it is not coming. So now this is one example. Here you can see we add some usual lines and like breaks and like wide spaces. But when you copy it and when you paste it, so it not give you any such type of it not give you that type of thing. It give you the simple. The paragraph contains a lot of lines in the source code. It give you like this. Let me show you how. Like this. It give you this type. The paragraph contains a lot of line. It give you like this. Okay, let me show you. First of all, remove it, save it and run it. Here you can see it is giving you like this. Okay, the paragraph contains a lot of lines in the source code, but the browser will ignore it. Here you can see it. The browser is ignoring it like that. Now, HTML horizontal rules. The HR tag defines a thematic break in HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal rule. The HR element is used to separate content or define a change in an HTML page. Like this is an example. Here we define some heading and some HR tag. Let me show you. Here you can see it. Here we define a heading, then P paragraph, then here we define a HR. HR means it gives you the horizontal line. Let me show you. Save it and run it. So here you can see it gives you the horizontal line. HR tag is used to give a horizontal line. So it is coming like that. If you want more lines, so and the HR have no any end tag. Okay, HR have not any end tag. Okay, in the HTML there are some tools that have not any end tag. Okay, the HR tag is an empty tag, which means that is no end tag. HTML line breaks. The HTML BR element define a line break. Use BR if you want a line break, a new line without starting a new paragraph like this. Using this, you will be add a new paragraph, means that you will be add a BR, using the BR tag, you have a line break, a new line without starting a new paragraph. Let me show you. Save it and then so here you can see it has a new line. Using the BR tag, you found one new line, okay, line break, okay, and using the BR tag has no any end tag, okay, means that the BR tag is an empty tag, which means that it has no end tag. The poem problem. This poem will display on a single line. Okay, this poem will be displayed on a single line. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. Save it and here you can see it. The poem is displaying in the single line. Here you can see it. Solution. The HTML pre-element. The pre-element defines a pre-formatted text. The text inside a pre-element is displayed in a fixed width font, usually Courier, and it preserves both spaces and line breaks. Let me show you using the pre-element. Let me show you. Save it, paste it, and now here you can see. Let me show you. Here you can see it. Using the pre-element, you will be do like this, but you not using the p element. Okay. So here you can see in today's video of HTML, I am told you about in the HTML what a paragraph. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell. Also, never miss any future related videos about the full stack web development. And in this HTML paragraph video, we learn about what a pre-element, what a BR tag, what a HR tag. I will learn more 3 elements in today's video. So I hope you can enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell. Also, you never miss any future latest videos about the full stack web development. So now I'm using next lesson, next very amazing data videos. So for today, goodbye.